This PowerPoint supports AS 90379, understanding of how internal factors interact within a business that operates in a global context. It's the first one looking at innovation in business. So the objectives of this presentation and this lesson, understand what is meant by innovation, the methods of innovation, and analyse how innovation can lead to competitive advantage and the risks involved. Okay, so when we're looking at innovation, it tends to be bringing an adaptation of a new idea. Not necessarily a brand new idea, that tends to be more thinking about invention, but innovation is a new idea, and that can just be as part of a new product or service, or it could be a new way of creating an existing product or service, so new processes or methods, or adaptations of existing products, existing services or processes. But in essence, what it's doing is changing the accepted way in which things are done or things are produced to add further value for customers. Ideally, as a very nice quote which sums it up, it could be to be called innovation. An idea must come into being at an economical cost and satisfy a specific need. Innovation involves the deliberate application of information, imagination and initiative in deriving values from resources, and includes all processes by which new ideas are generated and converted into useful products and services. So in business, traditionally it was always looked upon the department of the R&D department, the research and development department. However, approaches in innovation have evolved that nowadays innovation is sought out and looked for from anywhere inside or even outside of the business. The real test of effective innovation is how much it contributes to the business as a whole. So therefore, better products, improved production, less harmful effects upon the environment, all of these will have an effect on the whole. And as ever with all of these businesses, how it helps them strive towards achieving that vision, that objective and that mission. Essentially, innovation, real successful innovation organisation-wide comes from a culture, and a culture which is developed through the objectives and the vision and the mission. This is not final, but this is an example. Certain areas of innovation can be, traditionally we think very much of the product. Nowadays we think very much of sustainability, the way in which you can maintain your existence in the future through innovating, and particularly looking at that quadruple bottom line of economic, cultural, social and environmental. Thinking about marketing, areas of innovation, marketing, social media, although it's quite old hat now, this was seen as a key area of innovation, allowing the democratization, should we say, of marketing and being able to market to individuals. Also system, the management structure, the way in which your hierarchy is created, the way in which your hierarchy is adapted, is flexible, can adapt to certain changes. All of this, within a system as well, there's always a culture of reflection and improvement. All of these are different ways in which we to innovate. Now, in supporting this brief presentation, there are a series of YouTube videos and clips that I have put up on as part of this link. So if you click on this one, it will take you to this. Just four things will give you an insight into current thinking of innovation and how it adapts to corporate culture. This is also found on Moodle.